Dad is going on a trip. Carrot gets up early and is doing some physical exercises.
5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed."
Honey.
5 little monkeys jumping on the bed.
Yes.
One fell off and bumped his head. Mama.
Mommy, you were going out? Yes, I have some business to do outside until the evening. Be good at home, sweetie. I have... Yes. And remember, in case of emergency or if someone breaks in, you need to grasp the phone and secretly call the police, okay? Yes. Do you know the number to dial?
113.
Good. Good. Mom's leaving now. Bye-bye, Mommy.
Select one option. Find the stick and hit the intruder. Scream for help. Follow the intruder. You have selected the correct choice. When there is an intruder...
Are you the flying Spider-Man?
Yes, I am. Good boy. Where are your parents?
Select one option. They are out of town. They are about... Congratulations, Mom and...
Good boy. Where do your parents keep their money? Show me the safety box. I need the money to save the world.
Select one. Do not run away. The intruder can grasp you easily. Select one option. Quickly run away from the intruder. You've picked the correct.
Here it is. Here it is.
Stand still. Don't move. I'm doing my duty.
No more time. Now, get the phone. You must pay close attention to the intruder. When the running bar turns green, you can move. When the bar stops running, the intruder will raise his hand and his face will turn red. You must stand still and wait for him to turn. Good job! Now try to move outside. Pay attention to the intruder. Select one option. For your safety, you must lock the door. Select one option. Lock the door. Leave the door unlocked. Congratulations! You made the correct choice. Now dial the emergency number and report to the police.
I see some intruder inside my house. My address is number 15's Candy Street Chocolate District.
Well done! I have a gift for you.
Hiya.